Now next question please. How many 4-digit number, how many 4-digit even number which can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 4-digit number is there which can be formed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 when the repetition is not allowed, or I'll say distinct digits are there. Four-digit number we want, even number should be there with distinct digit.
180.
Yes sir, 180.
180. चलिए और बोलिए भाई, और भी कोई है तो? Distinct digit I am saying. So keep in mind. Here 2, 4, 6. So it can be done by how many ways? 3 ways.
3.
One part gone, either 2 you remove, or 4 you remove, or 6 you remove. Then how many left? 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5, then
4.
4, and then 3. So 9 into 20. So that come out to be 180. Next question, please. A person has 6 friends. Next question, please. A person has 6 friends. And he want to invite them for a party. He has 3 servants to carry the invitation card. How many ways he can invite these friends? Question is, one person has 6 friends and 3 persons are there who can carry the cards. That will be the 3 servants he has.
8 servants, 6.
I don't know. No restriction. 6.
Sir, in how many ways?
How many ways the person can invite his friends? हर एक को एक कार्ड भेजना है, उसने इनविटेशन कार्ड भेजना है, तो कितने वे से वो इनविटेशन भेज सकता है? He has 6 friends, each to be invited.
6 ways, sir.
How many ways?
18, sir. 18.
How many ways he can invite his friends through 3 servants?
So 63.
Yes, tell the answers please.
9.
9. चलिए, एक तो
9.
हाँ 9 तो गलत है.
18, sir. 18.
18 is also wrong. चलिए 2. Then they are saying 256. ये भी मुझे गलत लग रहा है. 3 answers you have given. 9 not there, 81 not there, 256.
So 120. 120.
करो भाई अपने आप को इतना.
What do you mean by ways?
Yes.
Mean by ways, sir. मतलब कैसे बुलाएगा? मतलब what does the question mean, sir? What does the question mean?
हमारे पास 6 फ्रेंड है, सिंपल बात कर रहा हूँ. 6 फ्रेंड है आपके पास, इसका मतलब 6 इनविटेशन कार्ड है आपके पास. यू आर गोइंग टू इनवाइट ऑल 6 फ्रेंड्स. हर एक को इनविटेशन भेजना है. और भेजने के लिए आपके पास 3 सर्वेंट हैं, आप किसी भी फ्रेंड के पास भेज सकते हो. How many ways you can invite them?
Sorry, 216.
Sir, one.
More answer is 216. We'll check what it is.
Sir, this one is 6.
Okay. Now check how we do it. 6 friends are there. 3
So
persons.
120.
120. Nahin bhai. Now check please. How to invite friends?
Do we have to use?
Huh?
We have to use all 3 servants.
Can use, that is your choice. I have not given any restriction. आप सबको एक ही के साथ भेज दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको नहीं एक लेके जाएगा तो भी ठीक है, एक 2 लेके जाएगा तो भी ठीक है, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला ऐसा. That is your choice. So that's why I'm saying how many ways. सारे ways बताओ. Now just check how we do it.
सर 6 को इनवाइट करना है.
बिल्कुल 6 को इनवाइट करना है. Then how we'll do here? I will cards. Just listen now quietly. These are the 6 invitation cards I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I do here, and these are the 3 persons. Person 1, 2, and 3. What I do here in this case, I will take out this card. And 3 choices with me. एक कार्ड आपने उठाया और आप इनमें से किसी को भी दे सकते हैं. इसका मतलब ये कार्ड कितने वे से जा सकता है? How many ways you can send them? How many ways you can send this card?
3 ways.
3 ways.
3 ways.
पहला कार्ड आपका 3 तरह से जा सकता है, राइट? अब आप दूसरे कार्ड पे आओ, फिर कितने तरह से जा सकता है? ये तो मैंने नहीं कहा कि जो एक ले गया वो दूसरा नहीं ले जाएगा, ले जा सकता है. That means again the second card is also having 3 choices. Okay. थर्ड के लिए भी 3 choices हैं, बिल्कुल कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
3
है.
choices कैसे हुई?
क्यों? आपके पास
तो
3
3 की power
पर्सन
6.
सामने खड़े हैं, आप किसको दोगे वो चॉइस आपकी होती है. आपने एक कार्ड लिया, मेरे पास 3 सर्वेंट बाहर खड़े हुए हैं. That is my choice whom to give.
Yes sir, आगे सारे.
So first card can go by 3 ways, second can go by 3 ways, third can go by 3 ways, fourth can go by 3 ways, fifth can go also by 3 ways. कितने कार्ड हैं? 6.
So 3 by 6.
Can go by
3 की power
6.
6.
So what my answer will be? 3 power 6. Answer will be 3 power 6. 243 हुआ, देखना.
Sir, 240.
सर 749 होगा.
49.
729.
720.
हाँ sir, 79.
9 है सर.
729 हुआ आपका आंसर. Yes. Now one more thing. Please don't do this way. That these are the 6 cards, and you say this person to take any one of it. No. Choice should not be given to the servant. अगर आपने कहा इसको कहा कि 6 में से कोई भी कार्ड दिया, एक भी नहीं पहुंचेगा. You have to deploy them. You have to give them in hand कि ये लेके आना है. Then they will do. Choice is not with the servants. Choice will be with you. So always keep in mind. Don't say 6 power 3 कि ये 6 choice करेगा, इनमें से 6 कोई भी ले जा सकता है, ये 6 ले जा सकता है, ये 6 ले जा तो सकते हैं, but कहाँ आपने distribute किया? So that you should keep in mind. Each card will go by 3 ways. So it will be 3 power. Total is 6. So answer will be 729 ways the card can be distributed. Next question, please. So this is a logical question. Please be careful about this. Next question says we have 4 fingers and 5 rings. How many ways these 5 rings can be worn in 4 fingers? 5 rings are there and I have 4 fingers. मुझे ये rings इसमें पहननी है. ये नहीं लिखा है कि एक में दो नहीं आ सकती या तीन नहीं आ सकती, आप चारों एक में डाल दो, पांचों एक में डाल दो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट हाउ मेनी वेज यू कैन वेयर इट यू शुड फाइंड इट. 4 rings, 4 fingers.
5 raised to the power 4.
4 is to power 5.
Now two answers you are saying, one is 4
4 4 to power 5.
another is 5 power 4. Now we should find out which will be the answer.
Sir, I think 4 is to power 5.
Sir, 5 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the
4
power
is to
4.
power
sir.
5.
Now check please. What you are going to do in this case, again the procedure is very important. You will be keeping your 4 fingers in front, right? Take out one ring. रिंग के पास चॉइस है, ये नहीं आप फिंगर को कहोगे 1 2 3 4 ऐसे चले जाओ, नहीं, फिंगर्स आर देयर दिस वे. आपने एक रिंग उठाई, इस रिंग को आप कहां डाल सकते हैं, एनी 4, कहीं भी डाली जा सकती है. सो फर्स्ट रिंग कैन गो बाय हाउ मेनी वेज, 4. सेकंड अगेन बाय 4, third again by 4, fourth can go by 4, fifth can go by 4. So how many answer will be there, 4 power 5 is there.
4.
5 power 4 नहीं होगा. 5 power 4 का मतलब आपने फिंगर्स को चॉइस दी है, नहीं रिंग को चॉइस. हाँ बोलो. यस
Sir, लेकिन ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना सर, we keep 5 rings out and then
देन बोलो. 5 रिंग तो हमने बाहर रखी
तो
है
सर 5 raised to the power 4 ही हो जाएगा ना.
5 रिंग्स आपने रखी हैं. आप क्या करेंगे, जब आपको पहनानी है रिंग तो क्या करेंगे, आप रिंग पहले उठाएंगे, आपको 4 में से कहीं भी डालनी है, यही तो करोगे, और क्या कर सकते हो, बोलो.
Yes,
You are keeping 5 rings in front of
yes
you.
sir.
Take out one and put it here. Second ring again 4 में से कहीं डाल दो, तीसरी भी कहीं डाल दो. That is your choice. So 4 will be the choice for each ring. So we will say 4 power 5. One more question, please. If we have 4 letter boxes and we have 5 letters to be placed, how many ways I can put these letters in these 4 letter boxes? I want
Sir, 4 is to power 5.
4 raised to power 5.
4 raised to power 5. Yes, 4 letters, 4 letter boxes are there, and we are going to put these letters in the boxes. 1 2 3 4. ये 4 boxes हैं मेरे पास. How will do? I'll take out first letter. First letter को आपने उठाया, 4 में से कहीं भी डाल दिया. That will be done by 4 ways. Second letter again by 4 ways. Third will be by 4, 4 and 4. 4 power 5. ये नहीं बॉक्स तू एक लेटर ले जा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. बॉक्स के लिए चॉइस नहीं है, चॉइस इज विद द लेटर. सो दीज थिंग्स यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. Another question, please. If you have 5 beggars and we have 6 sweets, या आप ले लो 4 sweets, how many ways you can distribute these 4 sweets among 5 beggars? This is your choice, what you want to do.
5 raised to power 4.
5 raised to
5 raised to 4. आप
5 raised.
You will be taking out 1 sweet.
क्योंकि raised नहीं है ना सर.
आपके पास 4 बैगर सामने बैठे
के
हैं,
बाद
एक स्वीट आप 5 वे से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं. तो दैट विल बी डन
that
बाय,
is so early.
first sweet can be distributed by how many ways? 5 ways. Second is again by 5 ways.
5.
Third is also 5. Fourth is also 5. So we will say it will be 5 power 4. By the way, I say you just change the question, and this time you want that the beggar who got first sweet should not be given second. Ab bolo. You are going to distribute it. but distribute such a way that whoever got first should not be given second. मतलब जिसको एक मिल गया उसको नहीं देना है.
So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2.
5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Yes, right. पहली स्वीट आपके पास 5 में से किसी को भी जा सकती है. When you take out second sweet, you should not be given to that who already got one. So we have only 4 beggars with us. Third time only 3 beggars, and then we have 2 beggars. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Answer will be 120.
120 yes.
120. One more part of this question. How many cases are there in which all the sweets are not going to a single beggar? पहले मैं कह रहा हूं कोई restriction नहीं है, आप distribute करिए. I want the cases now in which all the sweets should not go to single beggar. Anyway, you distribute, but don't give all to one.
5 power 4 minus 2.
All the sweets should not be given to a single beggar.
20.
4 में से 3 जा सकती हैं, but सारी नहीं जाएंगी.
Sir,
That's the question.
so 5 into 5 into 5 into 4.
No.
20.
In this case, what I am going to do first, random distribution. Random distribution में क्या था? 5 power.
3 into 2 into 1 into.
Just check here. Total cases without any restriction. Without any restriction, answer is 5 power 4. Already we have done. इसमें वो केस भी आ गए जिसमें सारे एक ही बैगर को गए, वो भी आ गए जिसमें एक को 3 मिला, दो दूसरे को मिल गया, बाकी नहीं मिला. All the cases we have taken because I told that we have distributed randomly. First sweet by 5 days, second by 5 days, third by 5 days, fourth will be by 5 days. In this case, in these cases, you will get few cases which you should not take. जब आपने ये 4 sweet distribute